I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hello and welcome to my walking tour of Praia do Norte, Portugal, a beach renowned for its spectacular scenery and world-famous waves. I'm excited to take you on a journey through this breathtaking destination in 4 Kelvin resolution, so make sure to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. You'll also notice the charming village of Nazare, situated on top of the cliffs overlooking the beach. This quaint fishing village has been a popular tourist destination for centuries, with its colorful houses, narrow streets, and traditional fishermen's cottages. The people of Nazare have a strong connection to the sea, and you'll find fresh seafood dishes in many of the local restaurants. One of the highlights of Praia do Norte is the famous fort of São Miguel Arcanjo, which was built in the 16th century to defend the village against pirate attacks.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
This well-preserved fortress now houses a museum where you can learn about the history of the region, including its fishing traditions, religious festivals, and cultural heritage. As we reach the end of our tour, take a moment to soak in the beauty of Praia do Norte. This beach truly has it all, from world-class waves to stunning natural scenery to a rich cultural heritage. I hope you've enjoyed this 4 Kelvin walking tour of one of Portugal's most spectacular destinations. Please leave a comment below to let me know what you thought of the tour, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel content.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.